Welcome to Green RX, where we delve into the healing power of nature. Today, we're spotlighting curcuma longa, more commonly known as turmeric. This golden spice has a rich history dating back thousands of years, with its roots in Ayurvedic medicine. Once upon a time, it was an exclusive secret of traditional healers who recognized its potent properties. Modern science is just now catching up, peeling back the layers to reveal the full potential of this remarkable herb. The medicinal value of turmeric has been a well-kept secret for thousands of years, recognized only by traditional healers. Not only does turmeric give curry its vibrant yellow color, but it also packs a healthful punch. This golden spice, a staple in many kitchens, holds a treasure trove of health benefits. To start with, it's a potent anti-inflammatory, helping to combat inflammation at a molecular level. And it's a strong antioxidant, combating free radicals in your body. But the benefits of turmeric don't stop there. It's also been linked to improved brain function, potentially aiding in the prevention of brain diseases like Alzheimer's. And for those concerned about heart health, turmeric is your friend. It's been suggested to lower the risk of heart disease, one of the leading causes of death worldwide. Research has also pointed to turmeric's potential in preventing and treating certain types of cancer. And if you're dealing with arthritis or depression, turmeric could be a natural way to manage these conditions. With such a wide array of health benefits, it's no wonder turmeric is often referred to as a miracle spice. The beauty of turmeric is that it's not only beneficial, but also versatile. It can easily be slipped into your daily routine. Think smoothies, soups, and curries. Or consider taking a turmeric supplement. Experiment with this wonder spice and discover what works best for you. In the world of natural remedies, turmeric truly is a golden gem. Remember, this vibrant spice is not just a kitchen staple, but a treasure trove of health benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Green RX channel for more insightful content on nature's pharmacy. Until next time, stay healthy and stay green.